when it is attached to the wall metal. This is the correct way. I'm just trying to screw out here, but that's not the way to find. Here's the old anchors on screws. Here I have new anchors. Putting these new anchors in. Here the anchors are in the wall. The tall bar goes in this end and then the other end. The little tiny screw that holds this into the metal. There, if you look here, this is the incorrect way that I have it on. Metal's edge is facing in. This is the correct one. This is good. The correct metal edge is facing out. That's the wrong way. Wrong error. Metal edge is facing in. That's wrong. This is it showing it inside in the correct way after it's been attached. This is the correct way here, with the metal edge facing out. The arm slides over this, and the bar goes across. The little tiny screw is at the bottom for it to be the correct way. The metal plate can be slid one way or another before you tighten the screws. This is the wrong way it's on. It should be facing out. Here's it installed correctly. Thanks for watching. If you learned anything, you can subscribe to me. Thank you.